Hello, uh, myself Dr. Vipin Kumar Rai, and I will teach you data structure. So today I will just share the lesson plan of this data structure course. So this is the university syllabus. In this syllabus we have total 5 units, and in all these 5 units we will discuss different data structures. So totally there are 5 data structures for discussion. In first unit we have array and linked list, which is a linear data structure. In second unit we have stack and queue. Again both are linear data structure. In third unit we have different searching and sorting operations. In fourth unit and fifth unit we have non-linear data structure, that is tree and graph. So the lesson plan and the sequence is slightly different than the flow of the syllabus we have. Firstly, we'll discuss the introduction part, the basic terminology, elementary data organization, complexity, syntactic notations, and then about arrays, how it is organized in memory also, row measure order, column measure order, and its application, sparse matrices, and its representation in memory. So half portion of the first unit we will discuss, and then we start unit 3, because in this unit 3 we have searching and sorting operation, in which we will discuss this array. तो आपको इससे एक थोड़ा यूज टू हो जाएंगे अरे से. यू विल यूज दिस अरे in this searching and sorting operations, and all these algorithms are comparatively simple. And then you will be prepared for next data structure, that is linked list. So this is the linked list. So after this array we will discuss third unit, that is searching and sorting, and after that linked list. Then again the same flow will follow. Unit 2, stack and queue. One thing more, जितने भी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स हम डिस्कस करेंगे, पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि उसका लॉजिकल मॉडल क्या है, मैथमेटिकल मॉडल क्या है, कंसेप्चुअल क्या है उसका मॉडल, और उसके बाद हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे मेन मेमोरी में, कैसे उस सारे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स को ऑर्गेनाइज किया करेंगे, and how we will perform different operations on all these data structure. And at last, the complexity, the requirement of time and memory to perform these operations on that particular data structure. So this is the way of the discussion of all the data structure we will have. I will discuss course outcomes separately in different video lecture. I will just concentrate in this video about the lesson plan and evaluation scheme. So after unit 2, we will discuss tree. Again, it is in 5th unit, but I consider tree is most important to understand, and we should discuss it previously with the graph, because you know that graph is a more generalized form of tree. So we will discuss tree, and then at last we will discuss graph. So the sequence become unit 1 half unit, after that unit 3, after that second part of unit 1, that is linked list, then unit 2, then unit 5, that is tree, and at last graph. So approximately 50 video lectures I have planned for this whole course. Some topics which I have included, which is beyond this university curriculum. The textbook of this subject or the course, we will follow Lipsius of SOM series. And the programming part I will provide from myself. So conceptually, we will discuss this one. Other reference books are given here. These 3 reference books, again, for the different topic, I will consider, I will follow, and at that time, I will take the name of that reference book. But by default, I will follow the Lipsius SOM series. This is the evaluation scheme of this course. We will have 3 CT class test and 2 assignment. So 3 CT and 2 home assignment. This CT will be in your classroom, and the weightage of all these CTs class tests have 8%, and the home assignment have 3% each. Home assignment, first home assignment will be on unit 3, and second home assignment will be on unit 5. This CT1 will be of unit 1, CT2 of unit 2, and CT3 of unit 4. Sessional test 1 have 20% weightage, and approximately 50% syllabus we cover in this sessional test. And at last, this is ST2, we also say is pre-university test, and this ST2 pre-university test have 30% weightage, and all the syllabus will be asked in that test. Most important part, attendance have also 20% weightage. So I hope you all will attend these video lectures, also, and as well as class room lectures also. So this is all about the lesson plan evaluation scheme of this data structure. In the next lecture, I will discuss the course outcome, that is CO, and then after I will start this course.